So hello everyone, welcome back again to ResDev in your PJs. And today we have Paul Gilbert with us, who is the technical manager in IIB and also currently just temporarily the head of operations as well. So Paul, hello. We were just really wondering how you and your technical colleagues are dealing with the situation that we're currently in with COVID-19.
Technical staff know more or less than anyone else. It's all a strange situation, particularly for people who are very, very lab bench based, suddenly finding that they can't do a lot of the things that they're meant to be doing. I think generally people are coping pretty well. There seems to be an elevated sense of camaraderie, I think, we're all seeing. And a lot of the technical staff have been keeping themselves busy by wading into helping out wherever possible with all of the ongoing work and essential work that's happening at the university. Because, of course, while most of us are sat at home, there's an enormous amount of work still going on, be that the increasing COVID research work that's happening or just maintaining all of the critical functions that we can't just walk away and leave. And for those technicians who aren't able to or aren't engaged in those activities, we've got plenty of stuff that can be done from home. All the boring admin stuff that no one wanted to do beforehand. No excuses now.
I think we're all catching up on those kinds of things, actually. We also have Blanca with us from our Research Staff Association. Hi, Blanca.
Hi. I'm a postdoc at the Institute of Integrative Biology and also deputy co-chair of the Research Staff Association. I wanted to ask you, Paul, where did the need to create safety net come from?
It came from, so for those who don't know, Safety Net's the online health and safety management system we've developed in IIB. It came really from the fact that we had very manual paper-based processes that weren't really up to scratch, and with an increasing amount of research and increasing number of staff, it's a really difficult and labor-intensive administrative process. And if you can have better systems, then everyone's, I wouldn't say happy, but it's health and safety. Everyone's in a better place. And of course, it means they can all do it from home now.
Challenge to get people to use it?
Well, the challenges are no different from any health and safety system you've got. Some people are very engaged and understanding of the processes and why it's important, others less so. I think what we've hopefully done is create a system where it's easier for people to do it without all of the paperwork and the understanding of who they need to go and speak to and when. It's actually easier, hopefully, to learn and do it from your desktop, and to see how others are doing it as well.
Do you have any tips for researchers or technicians to use this time wisely?
What we, as a main body of technical staff that I'm in touch with at the moment, we haven't really been using any major new ideas or solutions. The biggest tip really is about that we're all working in very strange times and we're all being interrupted constantly by things outside of work. And just adopting or understanding a realistic sense of priority and perspective and what you can do with your time is probably the most important thing. I think we all work to a pattern when we're actually physically in work, that we're in for a certain set number of hours, and our productivity is what we manage within that time frame, and those time frames have disappeared. So having a decent perspective on our own productivity and understanding that others might be different is probably the most important thing at the moment. There's a hashtag on Twitter called #TechniciansMakeItHappen. That sort of highlights all of the wonderful work technicians do across the country during the current health crisis, but also just throughout the rest of the year. I think you can see by scrolling through it the enormous amount of work that technicians and other staff at universities are really working on and doing at the moment. And it's a wonderful collaborative effort and shows the dedication of staff at universities, really.
We can highlight here the Technicians Hub as well that you have as part of the Academy intranet as well, too.
Yes, yeah, please do. So hopefully it'll be, more people will start using it. We've got information there about all the technical work that we do, technician community and the technician commitment, which is a really important thing to mention here as well.
Great, fantastic. Well, thanks everyone. So that's us for today. So please remember the hashtag ResDevInYourPJs. And also just like to highlight again, as always, our researcher hub that's at www.liverpool.ac.uk/researcher. So thank you very much, and goodbye from Sanya as well, and myself, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.